In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default footer in your ActiveCampaign emails. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. It's the main hub where you manage all your campaigns, and accessing it is the first step in customizing your email footer to better suit your branding and messaging needs. Next, you're going to click on Create a Campaign. This is where you'll find the various options and settings associated with your email campaigns. Whether you're starting from scratch or modifying an existing campaign, this is where you'll kick things off. After that, head over to List View. This view helps you organize and manage different emails within your campaigns, offering an overview that makes it easier to select which email you'd like to work on. Once you're in List View, you'll want to select the email you wish to edit. Look for the little arrow next to it and click on it to display more options. This lets you access additional settings and features tied to that specific email. Proceed by clicking on Resend Options. This might sound a bit misleading if you're not intending to resend the email right away, but it actually leads you to the page where you can use the original email as a template for a new one. From here, choose the option to create a new campaign based on this campaign. This allows you to preserve the existing setup while making necessary changes like switching out the footer without affecting your original email. When ready, click on Continue to move forward. This step confirms the setup of your new campaign draft based on your previous selection and takes you a step closer to editing your email design. Now, select Edit Design. This is the creative part where you can modify the layout and appearance of your email, and most importantly, make changes to the footer. Click on the Footer section. By focusing here, you get to change the elements found at the bottom of your emails, which often include contact details, unsubscribe options, or a personalized message. Next, click on Title and Links to customize the footer. This is the space to update your company details, insert relevant links, or add a unique call to action that aligns with your overall communication strategy. Once you've made your desired changes, go ahead and click on Next. This will guide you toward the final steps of the campaign creation process, ensuring your edits are saved and ready to go. Finally, you'll get to the point where you can send now. Double check everything to make sure your footer reflects the new changes effectively. Then click on Send Now to launch your email with the updated footer to your intended recipients. And there you have it. You're all set. You've successfully changed the default footer in your ActiveCampaign emails. Make sure to revisit these steps anytime you wish to make further customizations. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.